Hi, I'm Dr. Allison Kennamer, and today I am going to show you what an infant adjustment looks like. This is my son, Will, who is 15 months, and commonly people come in for chiropractic for ear infections, asthma, constipation are three of the biggest and most common reasons why people come in. It's wonderful for kids to get adjusted for a variety of reasons. Some of the biggest transitions are around 3 months, once they start sitting up a little bit. Also, once they start, someone likes to take his shoes off. Once they start crawling and then walking. Look, yes, you see your shoes. The trauma from falling down oftentimes throws, especially their sacrum off, but the rest of their body too. So this is Will. He's my son. He is 15 months old, and I am right now checking his neck to see if there's anything out, and there's something out right here. Yeah, he can sort of feel that. Yeah. So I'm going to take the little clicker and just click right behind his ear. I'm actually clicking on my finger on the spot that needs to go. And so, oh, that got it. Good. And then that, commonly whenever that area is out, kids have snotty noses. If you have an ear infection, that's usually the bone that's out. Just to name a couple of things. Sometimes it helps kids who have asthma. Let's see, check his feet to see if they're balanced. That's telling us that the neck's back in alignment. Good. All right, I'm going to flip you onto your belly. So now I'm going to check his pelvis, particularly his sacrum. But, and oftentimes kids who are constipated have a sacrum that's out, and it's common for it to be knocked out, especially as they're learning to walk and crawl, because they're always falling down and hitting their bottom. And then sort of walk up. Once again, this area too sends information to the intestines, so once again, constipation that area might be out. And then this is the mid-back. Right up here, kids have coughs, lung problems, that's often out. And it's out on this little guy. So I'm going to lean him back. Lean back, lean back, lean back. Got it. Yeah, we got it. Now we're all done. All done. So I hope this has been helpful, and please feel free to contact me with any questions or concerns you have around your child. Thank you.